Most people avoid investing because they think it's too complicated or risky. But the surprising truth is that robo-advisors like Wealthsimple make investing simple, low cost, and automated. Today, they'll share my honest experience using Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a digital investment platform that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and goals. You start by answering questions about your age, income, and investing objectives. Most people get this wrong by trying to pick individual stocks without a plan. Wealthsimple handles everything automatically, including rebalancing and reinvesting dividends. The platform offers ETFs covering stocks and bonds, and it even provides socially responsible investment options. You won't believe what happens next after just a few minutes of setup. Your portfolio is active and earning without needing to monitor markets constantly. Wealthsimple also charges low fees, with premium accounts offering additional features like tax loss harvesting and automatic deposits. The surprising truth is that even beginners can achieve well-diversified, long-term growth with minimal effort. The only caveats are that you give up full control of individual investments, and there is some risk tied to market fluctuations. However, for most investors, the convenience and automation outweigh these concerns. If you want a simple, hands-off way to start investing and grow wealth over time, Wealthsimple is a strong option. Subscribe for more honest robo-advisor reviews before you invest your money.